Are you a freelance creative constantly switching between projects and feeling like you're drowning in chaos? Here's the thing about missing deadlines. It's not about having more time. It's about having the right system. Most freelance creatives think they need 30-hour days to get everything done, but that's not the real problem. The real problem is they're using their time all wrong. See, when you're jumping between client emails, social media, and actual creative work, without any structure, your brain gets exhausted before you even start creating. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes in it. No matter how much water you pour in, it all leaks out. You're busy all day, but not really moving forward. But here's what's crazy. The most successful creatives don't work more hours than you. They work different hours. They've figured out something most people miss completely, and it changes everything. They know that your brain has different energy levels throughout the day, and they match their hardest creative work to their highest energy times on purpose. Think about it this way, you wouldn't try to lift heavy weights when you're exhausted, right? Same thing with creative work. Yet, most people try to do their best thinking when their brain is already fried from emails and admin stuff. No wonder it feels so hard. Here's where it gets really interesting. There's this thing called the creative energy map. It's basically a way to track when your brain is sharp and when it's not. And most people, they've never even thought about this. But when you map out your energy patterns for just 1 week, one single week, something amazing happens. You start to see exactly when you should be doing creative work and when you should be doing the boring stuff. And that's just the beginning. Because once you know your energy patterns, you can build what I call time blocks around them. These aren't just random chunks of time. They're deliberate, targeted, powerful zones for focused work. You get a creative block for your best thinking work, an admin block for emails and paperwork, a client block for calls and meetings. And each one happens when your brain is naturally good at that kind of task. You stop fighting your energy. You start flowing with it. But here's the part that changes everything. You protect these blocks like your life depends on it. No exceptions. No, just this once. Because the moment you break your own system, it all falls apart. Think of it like a river. When water flows between solid banks, it moves fast and strong. But when those banks break down, the water spreads everywhere and becomes a swamp. Your time works the same way. Without structure, it gets muddy, confused, slow. But with structure, it flows. Now, most people try to build these systems and fail within a week. You know why? Because they try to change everything at once. They build these beautiful color-coded schedules that look amazing on paper, but collapse by Wednesday. The smart approach is different. You start with just one block. Maybe your creative block from 9 to 11 a.m. That's it. Nothing else changes. You protect those 2 hours like they're made of gold. No emails, no phone calls, no notifications, no multitasking. Just your most important creative work. And here's what happens. Within the first week, you'll notice you're getting more done in those 2 hours than you used to get done in entire days. Your work quality goes up. Your stress goes down. And clients, they notice the difference. But that's not even the best part. The best part is what happens to your confidence. When you start hitting deadlines consistently, everything changes. You stop feeling like you're always behind. You start feeling like you're actually in control. And when you feel in control, you make better decisions. You stop taking on projects that don't pay well. You stop working with clients who drain your time and energy. And you finally start charging what you're actually worth. This is how the cycle breaks. See, most people think missing deadlines is about time management. But it's really about energy management. When you align your work with your natural energy patterns, everything becomes easier. Your creative work flows better. Your admin work gets done faster. Your client calls are more productive. Your stress fades. Your calendar starts working for you, not against you. And the money follows. Because when you're consistently delivering great work on time, clients notice. They trust you. They refer you. They stop questioning your prices and start appreciating your reliability. Within just a few months, most creatives see their income go up by 30 to 50%. Not because they're working more hours, but because they're working better hours. That's the key. So now the real question is, how long are you going to keep struggling with the old way? How many more deadlines are you going to miss before you try something that actually works. Because every day you wait is another day of stress, another missed opportunity, another client who might go somewhere else. You don't need more willpower. You need a better system, one that works with your brain instead of against it. The choice is yours. You can keep doing what you've always done and hope things magically get better. Or you can try a system that's already worked for thousands of other creatives. What's it going to be? If you found this helpful and you want me to personally help you transform chaotic schedules into structured, profit-driven routines, using practical productivity hacks and a step-by-step actionable roadmap, you can join my time transformation for freelance creatives below.